Today we're going to take another look at a 45 watts charger. It's a wall charger for your phones. It has type A and type C. We're going to take a look at it and see what you get. Just to let you guys know, the vendor was kind enough to send this out for us to review. So let's go ahead and put it together and see if it has a fast charging. So firstly, it's very small when you get it. It looks like a regular charger like everything else. So just be aware, it's a little chubbier, but it has 45 watts in the side. This is expandable, easy to expand, close and open. You have the type C and type A. We're gonna actually do type C to type C and see how fast it charges. So let's go ahead and see if it goes to 45 watts and if it does the supercharging on it. So we're testing it out right now. If you guys can see, I plugged it in here and I have a type C connection plugged into my phone. And in my phone, it's actually charging me how much charge is going. It's actually going to 9 volts, but if you guys notice, it does show 49 amps. And if you click on it, I'm going to show you the demonstration of how much amps we're transferring and what's the maximum. Right now, when I clicked on it, it's going to show you that it's a 35.0 volts that we're actually going. So that's the maximum you could hit. You can see the transfer rate, how much is going into the actual phone. We're going to transfer the phone. It's actually supercharging the phone right now. So, which is not bad. We are getting a couple. And the great thing about it is that you could connect another connection at the same time with a phone. So we're going to actually do that right now and see if we can connect another type C. So we have two phones charging at the same time, of course. So we're charging this phone. If you guys can see it, it's at 1% right now, but it's supercharging too, using the same module. So you can have two type A and type C connecting to it. And of course, we're getting supercharged connection on the actual phone, which is not bad. I mean, the only thing you have to be aware that you can't just connect any cable to get that extra connection, because some of the cables are not meant to be supercharged. They're actually low voltage. So you got to make sure you buy the proper cable prior to setting up this unit, right? So I hope you guys enjoy the video.